Hello and welcome. This is a React application made with CDN only. There is no need to install to make an npm install. Actually, there is no need of node module inside the application. It's only with CDNs downloaded from their respective website, of course. And I have injected them in the JS folder, as you can see here. And also I have added them in the index.html. That's it. And the components are listed below, as you can see. And let me show you the router. It's just a basic normal React 6 router, right? And the pages of this application, as you can see, the router works perfectly. If you like the video, just leave me a comment and subscribe to my channel, and the code are in the description below. Thank you for watching.